Hello children, welcome back to my channel, that is Shomita Das's channel of chemistry. So today we are going to discuss about class 8's a very important chapter, that is chemical reaction. The question answers we are going to solve. This is the second exercise of chemical reaction chapter from concise chemistry book. I have written over here concise chemistry book. So from there I have taken the second exercise which many children told me that they are having problem in solving. So let us move forward, let us proceed with the solution of concise chemistry exercise 2 from chemical reaction chapter. A reaction, first one, fill in the blank, sorry. A reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a substance, single substance, is called dash reaction. So the answer over here can be combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Second, number B. A dash is a substance which changes the rate of a chemical reaction without undergoing a chemical change. So the answer can be catalyst. You can write promoter, but it is also falling under the category of catalyst. So the most appropriate answer is catalyst. The formation of gas bubbles in a liquid during a reaction is called effervescence. The reaction between an acid and a base is called dash. Neutralization. Soluble bases are called dash. Definitely soluble bases are called alkali. The chemical change involving iron and hydrochloric acid illustrates a dash reaction. What reaction does it illustrate? It is a displacement reaction. Why? Because you know, when hydrochloric acid reacts with iron, definitely iron displaces the chlorine and iron displaces hydrogen, and itself joins up with chlorine. So it becomes friend with chlorine. So it is a displacement reaction. In the type of reaction, number G, in the type of reaction called dash, two compounds exchange their positive and negative radicals respectively. So which type of reaction? Very simple. It is double displacement reaction. Number H. A catalyst either dash or dash the rate of chemical change but itself remain dash at the end of the reaction. The catalyst either increases or decreases the rate of a chemical change but itself remains same at the end of the reaction. I. The chemical reaction between hydrogen and chlorine is a dash reaction. What reaction it is? It is a synthesis reaction. When a piece of copper is added to silver nitrate solution, it turns into dash in color. Definitely the piece of copper changes to silver or white in color. Classify the following reactions as combination reaction or a decomposition reaction or displacement reaction or precipitation reaction. So there are a whole lot of equations given in exam. Most of the time you get this kind of question. It's a very commonly asked question. So the equations will be provided to you and you have to classify them on the basis of the different types of reaction. So you have to name the various types of reactions. The first reaction is CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate on heating breaking down to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is a decomposition reaction. The second reaction is zinc plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4, that is zinc sulfate and hydrogen. This is a displacement reaction. The third one, silver nitrate, reacts with sodium chloride and it forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. This is a double displacement reaction. Fourth, number D. Ammonia and hydrochloric acid reacts together to form one single compound, that is ammonium chloride. Here it is a combination reaction. Number E. Copper sulfate reacts with hydrogen sulfide. It is a rotten egg smelling gas. It provides us with the product copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. In this case, it is a double displacement reaction. Then we have another equation, number F is zinc when reacts with copper sulfate, it provides zinc sulfate and copper. So this reaction is an example of displacement reaction. Number G, calcium plus oxygen provides us with calcium oxide. This is a combination reaction. Number H, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid reacts and produces sodium chloride and water. This is a double displacement reaction as well as neutralization reaction. But if you do not have the option of neutralization reaction, you can also write it as double displacement reaction. Define precipitation. Of course, precipitation I have already defined before also. I am again explaining you what is this called precipitation. Precipitation is the term used when a reaction takes place and the compounds are soluble, or the aqueous solution of the compound taken, they are dissolved in water, and the product that is obtained, one of them is insoluble. That is a precipitate obtained. This kind of reaction is called precipitation reaction. So this is the precipitation we are talking about. Neutralization. Neutralization is that reaction in which what happens, an acid and a base react with each other. They form salt and water. Neutralization. Acid plus base produces salt and water. Acid and base produces salt and water. So it is neutralization reaction. Then is catalyst. Catalysts are those substances, those who speed up the chemical rate of the chemical reaction, but itself does not undergo in the reaction. So they are the catalyst. Question number 4. Explain the following types of chemical reaction, giving 2 examples for each of them. This is a very simple question. I don't think I do have to explain it once again. Still, I will discuss a little bit about them. First one is combination reaction. Definitely you know that where 2 substances which are called reactants, when they react together, they combine together and they form one single compound. Then they are called combination reaction. One example we can give, that magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. These are all combination reaction. Decomposition reaction, we can talk about decomposition reaction like the compound breaks down into further products, more than one product, then it is called a decomposition reaction. Then we talk about one example we can give as calcium carbonate breaking down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Then we can take the example of lead nitrate breaking down into lead oxide, oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. So these are few examples. You can get a lot of examples of all these types of reactions. Displacement reaction. This reaction is that in which one of the ion is displaced by the other one, like iron reacting with copper sulfate. So ferrous sulfate is obtained and copper is left out. And another example can be like iron reacting with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. It is leading to the formation of ferrous chloride and hydrogen is left out. That also can be one of the examples. Okay, so there is question number 5 telling us write the missing reactant and products and balance the equation. So in this one, the reactants and the products are given and the reaction has to be balanced. In this case, I would like to do the reaction on the board. NaOH plus dash gives us NaCl plus dash. So NaOH plus, we have to add something to provide us with NaCl. So over here I will add HCl and in product we will get NaCl plus H2O. HCl. HCl, and the product is water, that is H2O. Number B, 5B, KClO3 when heated provides us 2 KCl plus 3 O2. It's coming reverse, so I don't know whether you'll be able to see it properly or not. Actually, I'm shooting from my front camera, so it's showing reverse. So I hope that you won't have any difficulty, because I'm at the same time speaking it out and reading it out also. So please do follow what I'm saying. The next one is KClO3. KClO3 gives K dash plus dash. So over here 2 KClO3 gives us KCl plus 3O2. 2 KCl plus 3O2. And the third one, number C, that is, there was a dash, so it will be Na2CO3, and it is added with HCl. Then it provides us with NaCl H2O plus dash. NaCl H2O plus carbon dioxide. Carbonate produces carbon dioxide, so that last dash will be filled up by carbon dioxide, and the thing will be balanced to NaCl. And over here 2 HCl. It will be used for balancing. Now, state your observation kind of question. How will you obtain magnesium oxide from magnesium? So from magnesium oxide, I want to obtain magnesium. So in that case, I have to actually burn magnesium ribbon in a jar containing oxygen. When I burn magnesium ribbon in a jar containing oxygen, then magnesium changes into magnesium oxide. Next one, silver chloride from silver nitrate. How will I get silver chloride from silver nitrate? Okay. So silver chloride is the product, that is the white precipitate obtained from silver nitrate. So definitely silver nitrate will react with sodium chloride, and it will lead to the production of a white precipitate, which is silver chloride. Nitrogen dioxide from lead nitrate. There is another decomposition reaction, you must have learnt about it, the decomposition of lead nitrate. I mentioned in the other question also. When lead nitrate decomposes on heating lead nitrate salt in a test tube, we get 3 products, out of which we only need nitrogen dioxide. So reddish brown nitrogen dioxide will be obtained if I heat the salt in a test tube. Nitrogen dioxide from lead nitrate solved. Number D, zinc chloride from zinc. So how to get zinc chloride from zinc? Now, we have to actually add dilute hydrochloric acid to zinc. When I add dilute hydrochloric acid to zinc, it will lead to the production of zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Then is ammonia from nitrogen. It's Haber's process actually, when nitrogen is heated in presence of catalyst iron, and finally at 450 degrees Celsius, and it is heated with hydrogen, and it leads to the production of ammonia. And also give balanced chemical equation for each of the reactions. So the first one, definitely magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So Mg plus O2, 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Next one is silver chloride from silver nitrate. So what should be my reaction? Silver nitrate is AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Next one is nitrogen dioxide from lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is PbNO3 whole twice. So PbNO3 whole twice breaks down into PbO plus O2 plus NO2. Please do balance it. I'm just telling the products. And then zinc chloride from zinc. So zinc plus HCl provides us with ZnCl2 plus H2. Over here I think 2 HCl will be written. Ammonia from nitrogen. So N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Next, what do you observe? What do you observe when pink iron nail is kept in copper sulfate solution for some time. So our observation, we can get two observations. What are the two observations? One is there will be a green solution obtained and also a pink metal will get deposited. Number B, phenolphthalein is added to sodium hydroxide solution. When phenolphthalein is added to sodium hydroxide solution, then definitely, since sodium hydroxide is basic in nature, it will change into pink color. Number C, blue litmus paper is dipped in dilute hydrochloric acid. Blue litmus will change into red color. Number D, lead nitrate is heated. Over here we have three observations. One is yellow residue obtained. Number 2, reddish brown nitrogen dioxide obtained. And number 3, oxygen is liberated, colorless, odorless gas liberated, which rekindles a glowing splinter. Okay. Magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen. Definitely there is a dazzling white flame when magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen. Then ammonia is brought near in contact with hydrogen chloride gas. So we will observe a dense white fumes of ammonium chloride which is obtained after the reaction. Give reason. A person suffering from acidity, number 8, question number 8a. A person suffering from acidity is advised to take an antacid. So the answer will be, this is because it leads to the neutralization reaction which neutralizes the effect of acids in our body. Next, acid soil is treated with quicklime. This is again for the same reason, for neutralization reason. When the acidic soil is treated with quicklime is basic in nature, it neutralizes the acidic nature in the soil. Third one, wasp sting is treated with vinegar. Why? Because wasp sting is alkaline in nature. If vinegar is treated with that, vinegar is acidic in nature. Definitely it's acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH. So when vinegar is added to that, it neutralizes the entire thing. What is meant by metal activity series and state its importance? Now, what is metal activity series? You all know the definition is there definitely in the book. A list in which the metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their chemical reactivity. So, this is the metal activity reactivity series. Now, to importance, definitely it facilitates the study of metals in terms of degree of their reactivity, and also gives an idea of with ease about the ease with which the metal in solution loses electron and form positive ion, and how it decreases down the series. So these are the importance which we get from reactivity series. Then what are the question number 10? What are oxides? Give two example of each of the following oxides. What are oxides? Any compounds which are associated with oxygen. One of the constituent element is oxygen, and oxygen is chemically combined together with the compound in the compound. So it is an oxide. One example of basic, or two example rather, basic oxide. Number 10a, basic oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide. Acidic oxide 10b, acidic oxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. 10c, amphoteric oxide, aluminium oxide, zinc oxide. And 10d, neutral oxide, water and carbon monoxide. Define exothermic and endothermic reaction. Give two example of each. Endothermic reaction, definitely it absorbs heat from the surrounding, and exothermic reaction, it liberates heat during the process. Like exothermic reaction example you can give, like water is added to quicklime. And endothermic reaction, you can talk about barium hydroxide reaction, which I showed you in class, the most commonly used reaction. And other endothermic reactions also you can use over here as an example. Okay. State the effect of an endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction provides us with a cooling effect in the surrounding, and exothermic reaction provides us with a heating effect in the surrounding. What do you observe when an acid is added to basic solution? When acid is added to basic solution, the solution definitely turns neutral in nature. Hence, when a litmus paper is dipped in it, it shows no change in color. And when ammonium chloride is dissolved in water, definitely it is an endothermic reaction. It provides us with a cooling sensation. So that's all. These are the all 13 questions that we had in this exercise. So for further help, you keep following my channel and subscribe for getting the latest updates every time. Thank you.